Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. It's Mwaka the Wifepreneur. If it's your first time stopping by on this channel, we are all about entrepreneurship and all that. So I bring to you a video. This video is how we served our food for almost a year, 10 months, from February to November. So this we call it stockwell. It's not a traditional stockwell where you put money together, but with this one we were buying stuff each month. So it was a team of 4 ladies, myself and my friends and cousins. So what we did was, actually I should give credit to Missy, a senior who was a senior in university. So I had her number and I saw how they shared their stuff last year, and it was so nice. I mean, theirs was a lot more than what we did here. So I approached about maybe 6-7 ladies. January, was it January or December? January actually. Some declined and others took the offer with they grabbed it and ran with it. So I mean, like, the 3 took the offer and ran with it. So because I'm a mutual friend to most of them, the idea was to build trust and get to love each other and get to know each other. So we decided on putting $100 each month. So how it actually works is, if I'm the one collecting the money that month, everybody sends the $100 to me, including mine. It goes to $400. We look for what is on special in any of the shops. Then I go and buy the stuff. Then we're putting the stuff or this shopping at one of our house. So she's the one who was keeping the stuff. So every month you go and buy things. We see what is on special, what we agree on. Actually, we came up with a list, and we're like, January was such a short notice, and we were not it was not planned for. So we started February. So February started putting money together. We agreed on who is going to keep the grocery for the whole year, and we did. So this was $100 per person. Like I said, I keep saying that, sorry. It was $100 a person. So we check whatever is on special, what is on the list, then we crash it out, we buy and we crash it off. So this was really, really nice, because this saves you guys to not buy stuff, grocery for December or January. It can actually take you to February, because what you could do is just put this food together. I mean, after sharing in November, this was November, end of November, when we were sharing this food. I was just a bit held up. That's why, guys, I didn't update you on this one, because the shop. So yeah, we shared the things in November. So literally we started donating in February, November. So it's 10 months. So this is all what we could buy from $400 each month. So what was I saying? I was saying, instead of traditional, I was saying you could do this for your window, grocery. So when you share the food in November or in December, however you decide, this food, if you're staying alone or it's just the 2 of you, it can still last you through to March if you share the food in December. So meaning January, you don't have that story of January disease. February, you're sorted. March, you're still sorted. So instead, or you can decide to take it to the village if you don't have like December money to go spend there. You will travel with this. I know it will cost you, but yeah, you can just simply travel with this because you have saved. So this is just basically to share with my single mothers out there, with unemployed sisters out there, that this is something that you could do. It's just a simple $100. You could start with a simple $100. Like I said earlier, with us it was $100 because I was a mutual friend to most of them, so we had to build trust. So that's why we started with the $500, but you can with $100. But you can imagine what 200, 250, 350 can do out of this. So these are just the ladies trying to distribute the food. So we are going bigger as of next year. Next year we are starting January, and I think we agreed we are going to share the food first week of December, in case for those that are traveling, who wants to go with a thing, or they're just leaving the stuff here. So next year the idea is to go bigger and better. Another way that you can save yourself end of the year and the following year, January disease, is to buy the ShopRite books. Let me know in the comment section if you want to know about the ShopRite books and the gifts, gift cards. This is something that commonly that everybody does, but you know, some may not know how it works and all that, but it's just a simple way of buying stamps. You go to ShopRite, you get a book, you buy stamps. Is it stamps? The word is gone. But you buy, if you have $100, they will give you 10, because some usually they sell for $10. Stickers, not stamps. So they'll stick in the book, and that $100 equals to $100. So if you don't have money, you just go in ShopRite or Checkers with that book, you go and buy something with those stickers. So that thing actually helped me. Was it this year or this year when I was pregnant? There was something that I didn't have in the house, but because initially someone who introduced me to it said that it only works for December and January, but that was maybe around Feb or March, but I could still use it. So and they told me you can use it through the year. So what you can basically do is just to buy stickers. Every time you go to town, you have an extra $50, extra $100. To make the whole book full is $2,000 Namibian. So meaning you can go with the book to Katima or wherever you want to be for holidays. You go with the book, you buy your stuff in ShopRite, and then when you go to the till, you pay with the stickers that are inside the book. So this is just basically how we can save money, ladies, or without going in December with stress. January and February, we don't need to stress out as often. So this is one way you could do it. The second way you could use the gift card. The other way you could use is the books that I just explained now. So yeah, as you can see, it was really lovely. As for the dishwash, sorry, we didn't buy brand new. We just got 5 liters empty bottles, and we went to refill in Northern Industry at I forgot the name, but that's where we refilled, and I think it was for all of them it was 180 or 70, somewhere there. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section your way of saving for December, January and February, because we all know we cry about January. So that's the ladies dancing to the food and just the victory. It was just so nice to see, like, we worked hard for it. We really worked hard for all this. It was so nice to see. Literally, it was so nice to see like we really fought. So let me know, guys, in the comment section, how do you save your money for November, December, January? Otherwise, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.